Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, then well, welcome to my channel. And if you're not already subscribed, then go ahead and let's do that right away by subscribing, the red button down below. Alright, so today we're doing a makeup look. This right here is, no really real reason. I guess the one real reason is I'm going out tonight. My boyfriend's friend is having a birthday dinner, so we're all going out. So this is the makeup look I'll be wearing to dinner tonight. And we're going to a hibachi place. So, delicious. Alright, so if you're curious how to get this look, super simple, super easy. And by the way, the palette I use, it has many nude natural colors where, like, brown tones, tannish tone colors, where I feel like most of you might have similar colors in that palette. So don't feel like you have to use these exact colors that I use, but yeah, you know what I mean. Alright, with that said, let's dive into the video. Alright, so let's go ahead and do our makeup. Let me see. So first of all, let me go ahead and do my brows real quick. You guys already know the routine to brows. Just pick your favorite brow product and then call it a day. Alright, so my brows are complete and I think they look pretty decent. I feel like I've been struggling just a tad bit to do my brows. I'm not sure why, but like we all have our down days, I guess. So anyways, I've been using, or for this makeup look, I use the Anastasia Tinted Brow Gel in the shade Granite, and then I also used the Goof Proof Benefit Brow Pencil. So I use that together to do my brows, and that's what you have. Alright, so I'm going to now do the eyes. For the eyes, I'm going to put some of this Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer right on top. Real quick. Take my little damp Morphe sponge and blend that out. The palette I'll be using to do my eyes is the palette by Laura Lee. It's the Nudie Patootie palette. And those are the colors I'll be using. I'm going to pick up some other colors here and there that's not in the palette, but for now, this is the palette I'll be diving into. Alright, so first I'm picking up Streaking, which is this color right here. And I'm going to place that all over my lid. Next, I'm picking up the shade Bear, which is that color right there. Alright. Pick some of that color up and place that right on the crease and all over the lid, but not up to your brow bone. So on the crease, like where your eye socket is, and all over the lid, but not up to your brow bone. So using the same brush, I'm going to pick up some Reveal. Yeah, it's called Reveal. And we're going to focus that on the outer corner of our eyes and then bring it in a little. Outer corner and bring it in. Alright, next I'm going to pick up Nakey Nakey, which is this beautiful dark, not super dark, but a dark chocolatey brown. And using a different brush now, put that on the outer corner, and don't worry too much if it looks a little messy because we're going to blend it all out. Okay, so for my brow bone, I'm going to pick up Streaking, which is this color right here, and place that on my brow bone. Alright, so I want to go in with some gold glitter, but before I do, I'm going to just take my concealer again and conceal the inner half of my lid. Nothing too crazy or perfect, and just kind of dab and rub, well, not really rub, but dab that in a little bit so it can blend out. So for the gold, I'm using ColourPop in the shade Cheap Date. And so you guys know what it looks like. It's this beautiful gold color right here. And this isn't really a eyeshadowy, like, powdery formula, like dry formula, or neither is it like a wet formula. I feel like it's like a combination of dry and wet. It feels like a putty kind of. So, anyways, the best way to apply this is to use your fingers. So, I'll be using my fingers to apply this. I'm going to go back in to the Nudie Patootie palette and pick up the shade Butt Naked, which is, which one is it right here? That one right there. And kind of work that into my crease, just like really lightly. I feel like after I put on the gold cheap date from ColourPop, it kind of faded away my crease color. Anyway, so yeah, that's what I'm doing, like that. So now that we have our gold on, I'm going to go in with the inner corner color called Uncover, right there. I mean, it's not called the inner corner color, but it's the shade I'm using for my inner corners. And we're going to just focus that right at the inner corner. Honestly, a small amount. Or I mean like a small area on your eye. Alright, so just to help the gold pop a little bit more, I'm going to take the, I'm going to take this, the Urban Decay Heavy Metal in Midnight Cowboy. It's just a really pretty gold glitter. And place that where the gold is, obviously. The thing about this Midnight Cowboy is it's not like the where is it? Like, it's not like the Stila you know, Magnificent Metal glitter where it coats the entire lid of glitter, which is very beautiful. But sometimes I don't want the entire lid to be coated with glitter, as much as I do love glitter. I mean, if you know me by now and you watch my channel, you know I love glitter. But sometimes you just want like a little dabble of glitter, a little sprinkling of glitter, not like the entire lid being coated with glitter. You know what I mean? So that is what this is perfect for. So yeah. Alright guys, I'm back with the final look, and all the makeup I use is always listed down below. So if you want to, you know, recreate the same makeup look, then you will know. Just read the description box with description down below and you'll know that. And I wanted to add that I not touched up, but I added like some lower shadow color. So on the outer part, I added the Butt Naked color, which is that right there. And then the inner lower corner, I added Jaybird, which is this beautiful color right here. So that's about it, guys. So I put on my foundation, my lashes, all that good stuff. And here is the final look. Alright, so and I put my hair down, straightened it, you know, bada bing, bada boom, voila. Alright, so that is it, guys. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. If you do like videos like this, please give this video a like. And if you haven't already, click subscribe. And of course, I hope you have a wonderful day, a wonderful night, wherever you are. I'll talk to you next time. Bye!